All right, friends, for this video, you're going to need your math notebook, pencil, scissors, glue stick, and the 2 pages on your desk comparing triangles chart and grouping triangles. So go ahead and get all that together. All right, we're going to number the next 2 pages, 138, 139, and we're going to start with the page grouping triangles. So go ahead and cut out the title, and we're going to glue it to the top of 138. Go ahead and do that now. All right, once you've cut that out and glued grouping triangles to the top, you're now going to cut out the 2 rectangles and keep them together. So this will be cut out all the way on the outside, all the way on the outside. Then what we're going to do is, like we've already done with all of our other ones, we're going to cut our flap. Make sure you don't go past this line right here. You're going to do that on both of them. And then the flap that you cut all the way up to, this one right here, that's where we're going to fold them over. I messed up my fold, but it's okay. So I'm going to fold both of these over. And then once you have folded both of them over, you're going to glue them. You're going to put glue on the flap, but I want the right acute and obtuse on this left side, scalene, isosceles, and equilateral on this other side. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I have mine glued down, and what we're going to do is we're going to start with the left side with our right acute and obtuse because we've been talking about angles. So we're going to start with the right angle, and we said that right angles make that just right square, and they measure at 90 degrees. So go ahead and pause and write that one down. Okay, then we have acute, and acute is less than the 90 because the perfect square is the 90 and this is less than. So it measures less than 90 degrees. So go ahead and pause and write that one down. All right, then we have obtuse, and we said obtuse measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So it's going to be more than the square, but once it gets to 180, it becomes a what? A straight angle. So this is more than 90, but less than 180. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at how our angles affect our triangles or help us with our triangles. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a couple notes about the 3 different types of triangles that we're going to see. So triangles are going to be our 3-sided polygons, and the ones that we're going to see the most are scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. So let's make some notes about those. All right, we're going to start with a scalene, and if you look at a scalene triangle, all the lengths are different. All the angles are different. So a scalene triangle has no equal sides and no equal angles. So all of the sides are different lengths. All of the angles are different measurements. None of them are going to be the same. They're not going to be equal. So go ahead and pause and make sure you have that one written down, and then we're going to talk about isosceles. All right, now an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. And if we look at our picture here, this side and this side are equal lengths. This side and this side are equal angles. And that's just how we mark them. This means it's congruent or equal to that. It's the same size. This angle and this angle are equal to each other. So go ahead and write for isosceles. It has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. Now, for an equilateral triangle, it's got that equal part that starts at the beginning, like when we talked about equivalence, equal, it has all that. Sorry. So equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. So they're all going to be the same. So the lengths of my side this side is going to be equal to this side, which is going to be equal to this side. This angle is going to be the same as this angle and the same as this angle. They're all equal. So if this is 12, then that's 12 and that's 12. If this is 60 degrees, then this is 60 degrees and that's 60 degrees. So equilateral has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Once you have this one all written down, I want you to go ahead and bring your comparing triangles chart with your scissors and glue and notebook and pencil to my small group table, and we're going to do that one together. Thanks, friends.